October 3rd, 2024. It's Thursday. I'm going to a call. It says no heat. I guess the second floor is blowing out cool air. Winter's here. Well, not winter. Fall is here. So as we know, we're gonna need some heat. Hope everything's been well. Haven't been filming in a minute. It's nothing to film. But let's see what it is. This might be nothing as well. But let's check it out. It's supposed to be there at 8:30. A little late. 1 minute left. We only do the 8:30 thing because if the place it goes by distance. So they're 8 to 10s, but it depends on how far, because our distance is our radius is so large. It literally it goes from Connecticut, like the middle of Connecticut, kind of Southbury, Connecticut, to pretty much the Bronx, New York, and then over the Tappan Zee Bridge, which is Rockland County. So our radius is pretty large. It's fairly large. But so yeah, it would normally be 8 o'clock if it was. Depends how close it is to my house or the office, or our houses / the office. Baby. All right, so she's got hydro air. And the second floor is not heating. The first floor. Okay, so we have heat there. This might be first floor, probably. Yeah, first floor. We're looking for second. I just want to make sure this kicks on, and then we will go for upstairs. Okay. 0.71 amps. Hot. Okay. The second floor is blowing out cool air. I just went upstairs, turned it on. This is hot here. It's cold here. Circulator. Calling from our thermostat on the first floor. We're calling for the second floor, but I don't have any zone up here. So let's just jump it, see if it's our TT, or if it's our board, or if it's a thermostat. Nothing. Looks like getting awfully close. Still does its thing. Circuit's still moving. Check my amps here. Okay, no amps here on my second. First, I'm calling on both. Should have 121 volts, 120 volts. Which I do, 125. Second, I should have 120. 0. So I'm not sending, and I swapped these out. I'm not sending. Let me see if I have a board or a rib relay and get them going. I'm not sending voltage to. I'm not sending them through the relay to get this going. I'm hot here. I'm cold here. Hot, cold. Second floor, first floor. Second floor. Taco. Off. Let's take all these off. Let's go check the heat upstairs. Check for coal there. 2. There's our voltage. Zone 1. There's our voltage. Zone 2 for our call. Beautiful. And zone 1 for our call. Beautiful. So this one's heating great, as it was. And then we will check the upstairs. I just want to check the top temp coming out. I'll go upstairs. Oh, that's nice. Navien's heating nice. You said you had some issues with the Navien or the Navien? You said you've had issues with that boiler? What, like what? How many years have you had this second one?
Like I said, maybe 5, 6 years.
What, the first one was just a nightmare?
Well, we installed it wrong, so then it broke.
Okay, I hear you. That'll happen.
Yeah.
There's your termination. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Fairly simple call, but it is what it is. It's 10:07. I have to go to a storage facility to do maintenance now all day for the rest of the day. So thanks again. Take it easy. Have a great day. Have a great week. Or the rest. No, today's Thursday. Wow, awesome. And I'm not on call this weekend. All right, guys. Take care.